Step 1. Assemble the drawer. The parts required for this step are number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, A, B, E, G, D, L, and ductor. First, secure the screw part A into the pre-drilled holes on panels number 10 and number 11. Then install number 12 and number 13 on either side of number 10 and number 11, respectively, and secure them with nuts part B. Next, simply slide drawer bottom number 15 into the groove on the side panel. Finally, insert drawer back panel number 14, making sure the groove snaps into the bottom panel, and secure the back panel with 4 screws part G. Note that the cabinet is currently positioned with the base panel facing up and the front panel facing the installer. Disassemble the slide rails part N. Install the slide rail marked DL on the right side of the base panel and install the slide rail marked DR on the left side of the base panel. Step 2. Install the outer track. The parts required for this step are number 3, number 4, number 5, E, CL, and CR. Install the outer rail part CR on the side of panel number 5 that has the nut holes. Install the outer rail part CL on the other side. Note, the rollers on the outer rail should face away from the mounting holes. Install the outer track part CL on the grooved side of panel number 3, with the outer track rollers facing away from the groove and toward the side with the 4 mounting holes. Number 4. Install the outer track on the board part CR. Follow the same installation procedure as before. Step 3. Install the center divider in the drawer. The parts required for this step are number 2, C, and D. Insert the wooden dowel part C into the pre-drilled hole on the inner side of panel number 5, then use self-tapping screws part D to secure panel number 5 to panel number 2. Step 4. Install the table leg base plates. The parts required for this step are number 6, number 8, and D. Note, on board number 8, the side with the nut holes is on the same side as the straight edge of the fan-shaped footplate. Step 5 and 6. Assemble the table leg. The parts required for this step are A, B, C, and D. First, install the screws part A into the pre-drilled holes near the ends in the center of panel number 3. Next, install the dowels part C into the side panels of panel number 8. Finally, assemble panel number 3 and panel number 8, securing them together with nuts part B and screws part D. Step 6 is similar to Step 5. Step 7. Install the table leg base plates. The parts required for this step are number 7, C, and D. First, insert the wooden dowels part C into the pre-drilled holes on the inner sides of panels number 3 and number 4. Then attach the number 7 base plate to the number 3 and number 4 plates. Finally, secure them using self-tapping screws part D. Step 8. Install the metal feet. The parts needed for this step are number 17, F, and M. First, attach metal leg number 17 to the bottom of each table leg and secure it with screws part F. Then, attach the adjustable feet to the bottom of the metal legs. Step 9. Assemble the main body of the table. The parts required for this step are C and D. First, insert the wooden dowels part C into the pre-drilled holes on the inner sides of both ends of panel number 2, making sure that the side of panel number 2 with the drawer divider faces outward. Then, use screws part D to secure these panels to the outer sides of the table legs. Step 10. Install the table back panel. The part required for this step is number 9. Step 11. Install the desktop. The parts required for this step are number 1, A, B, C, and J. First, place the wooden dowel part C inside the top of the table frame. Then install the screws part A on the number 1 table panel. Attach the tabletop to the table frame, adjust the tabletop until it is level, and finally secure it using the nuts part B and screws part J. Step 12. Install the backplate clips. The parts needed for this step are K and F. Step 13. Installing slatted panels on table legs. The part required for this step is number 16. Step 14. Place it in the drawer.